One night in late November came the sharp coyote cries. Old Rebel pricked his ears and felt the pull of old bloodlines. For as the call persisted, my dog answered back, and he ran to meet that old coyote pack. Howl away, howl away. Can you hear the dog and the wild coyotes play? Howl away, howl away. In the magic hour where night turns into day. Well, never in my life had I seen such a sight as a dog with the coyotes dance in the moonlight. Well, I could have just been dreaming, for he bore no scratch or mark, but for the tracks that covered my whole yard. Howl away, howl away. Can you hear the dog and the wild coyotes play? Howl away, howl away. In the magic hour where night turns into day. Oh, they'd play in the river and jump in the snow, running with the pack to places no man will ever know. Yet every morning coffee saw Rebel by the door, as if he'd been waiting there since the night before. Old Rebel finally came to the autumn of his life, so I buried him on Sanka, where he could watch the full moon rise. His wild brothers circled the tame dog's grave that night and sang to him a mournful lullaby. Howl away, howl away. Can you hear the dog and the wild coyotes play? Howl away, howl away. In the magic hour where night turns into day. It's the magic hour when night turns into day.